Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Hex from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the head. Draw a sideways rectangle near the top of the page. Then add a border inside. Next, from the inside bottom right corner, add a small diagonal line. Then straight lines on the right and bottom to the small diagonal line. Let's draw the face next. Draw two circles inside on an angle like this. Let's add the mouth now. Draw a curve under the eyes. Then curve each side down below. And then add 3 lines inside. Next, color everything except the eyes and the mouth in black. Let's finish the head now. From the bottom and top left corners, draw a diagonal line up and out. Then connect them with a straight line. Now another diagonal line from the top right corner. And now a line across to close off the top of the head. Lastly, add the antenna with zigzag lines like this. Let's draw the shirt next. Start with a curve under the head. Now on the left, draw a small curve. And then a curve down. Hop to the right now and draw an angled line down from the head. Then draw the sides with curves down. On the right, add one more angle. And then a curve across to close off the jersey. Next, draw a block-shaped number 16 like this. Let's draw the right arm holding the microphone now. Draw a circle shape behind the top right of his shirt. Then another circle below here. And then one more above it to the right. Now add 2 diagonal lines between the outer 2 right circles. And then 2 more between the left circle and the bottom one like this. Next, at the end of the arm, draw 2 rectangles with a gap in between. And then 2 lines up. And at the top, add a circle for the microphone head. Then add some detailed curved lines inside. Let's draw the other arm and hand now. Draw a circle on the left. And then a small curve under it if there's a gap. Then draw 2 more circles here. Now add diagonal lines between the circles like this. Let's add the hand now. From the bottom circle, draw angles out at the top and the bottom. Then draw 2 rectangle fingers like this. If any parts of the hand are overlapping the shirt, erase the lines inside now. Let's draw the shorts next. Draw the sides of the shorts down like this. Then in the middle, draw an angled line. Now curve to close off the left side. For the right, start a little bit higher from the middle and curve it down to the right. Let's draw the legs now. Leave a gap and draw a circle under each short leg. Then 2 diagonal lines above each circle. And 2 more longer ones below. Now at the bottom of each leg, draw a semicircle. And color both in black. Let's draw the left foot now. Draw a line across the bottom that's a little bit longer on both sides. Then small angles down on both sides. Now lines out, and then lines down. Now a line across the bottom to close it off. Let's draw the right foot now. Draw a short line out on the left, and then a line down. On the right side, draw an angled line, and then a line out. Add 1 more down, and then close off the bottom. And that's it for Hex. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!